you guys lock your car up? It looks like I'm following a patrol car, blacked out.
Action, are you going?
Oh, she almost PA'd the fire guys. We're on Buckner Creek. She's definitely blacked out in the patrol car. She's going to crash it up.
Yeah, the information on you is 2 that's closed, channel 5, David 81, occupied sold. Please, car. 102.
What up? There's no stars in the sky. Oh, no. Nice. Oops. Kenneth Burley Manning, car wreck? Nope. Got in a high-speed chase and got away. Stars in the sky? Are you guys scared? You should be, you fucking dirty bastards. We're one step ahead, buddy. I'm Tara motherfucking Axmaker, the one and only. Dave Lynn 3 is in Iceland with her new daddy, who doesn't scar her and play with her like you guys thought. What road did you take? Because we're going to have fun right now. Don't back down. Keep going. Do we own it? The government? Telemarketing? Telemarketing the new owners? Thought different, didn't you? James Notman, you are the shit. No wonder I like Marlo so much. James, are you taking over the company? Wow, I'm so proud of you. Thanks for not giving me my fucking info for my ID today, James. Because guess what? The stars got it. I'm $1 million motherfucker. And Jamie Troy and Judge Waller? Oh, are you not a judge no more? Oops. Keep coming, bully. Police catch me if you can. Brad, I'm trying to figure out we're ghostwriting like we usually do. What road we take for them? Oh, a tree? We're ghostwriting, and these cops are guiding me. Doing 90 on the freeway. Please catch me if you can. Tupac? Woo! Joe Chappelle? Yeah. I think I'll sing this for Joe. Joe Chappelle. What the hell is on Julie's head? This is where I went to school. Must have kind of had bad things to do. Criminal record, I broke it twice. Must have done it half a dozen times. Is it too late? Should I go back and try to graduate? It was slowing down. Oh, you got insurance? I hope you don't want to fuck up this cop car. My baby started in time all the time. Thought I was 10 steps back. Sierra don't actually do. You're right. Fucking forward, girl. Fucking 2 steps fucking forward. Holla. My baby, what goes on out, comes back around. My baby, you feel a little circle with Barnhart. Barnhart, buddy, you're taking over that shit, aren't you? Barnhart the third. First, second, done. Hot. It's done. So, Lucy Bro, doing all right with Sierra? Thank you. Because you're the third one. Those mugshots, Sierra. Fucking business. Yeah, a business. Frank in the morning, Frank in the evening. David O'Rourke, you having fun? What goes around, comes back around. My baby. She didn't get started off. Ghost right like Brad does. Don't give me light. So we're doing it. This time, Brad the second. Casey, you're the fucking business, girl. I didn't want that one. Little puppet. Little puppet. Casey, the first one that sold her kids for dope. How's that porn shop treating you? Silly rabbit. Tricks are for kids. Brokeback Mountain. Taylor, Axmaker. The fucking... Wow! How's fucking the National Guard treating you, bitch? Big shot, didn't you? You're working now, aren't you, you little bitch? Sick fucking bitch. Fucking, This looks like a ruined mind trying to see whoever can devour. Guess what? I'm God, and I'm on top of the world. Her with motherfucking eyes the whole motherfucking time. This girl can do anything she puts her mind to. I just want you to know. Sometimes driving home at night, she's not crying anymore. She's not hurting any longer. There's a smile on her face. The one I was in Nevada jail. You're out. Fucking A. Joe Chappelle. You lost again. Joe Chappelle was my mom's first love. My real mom's first love was Joe Chappelle. Second mom's first love was, Daryl Andrews. My third mom is the first mom. Darnell, you're the shit. Get my kid. I'm gonna see my baby! My baby! Smart as hell, girl. Fuck yeah. Second J, a little play toy. The same. Oh, it. This one's wearing a halo. She's an angel. Second one looked evil. I looked at her eyes and they're red in the picture. I'm like, what the fuck? A little play toy? Fucking. And the third one, guess what happened? Oh, please catch me if you can. I'm going 90 on the freeway. Keep following me. You need to. Is there one star in the sky? And it's Barnard, isn't it? You're going to take it for an airplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Lord, baby. She wrote me a letter. Well, she wrote me a letter. What's on you, huh? See, I got to get back to my baby once more anyway. I don't care how much money I got to spend. Got to get back to my baby once again. I'm trying to find out. Is there not a bullet in the trigger? Randy? Packer? Oh, no bullet in the trigger. Fuck. Come get it. Come. Give me a ticket for an airplane. Ain't got time to take a fast train. Rolling through the summer. I'm going home to my baby. Wrote me a letter. That got a good skin like that one. What's in the... Oh, what is that? Oh, I got 2 minutes.
On 213, 80 miles per hour, picking up speed.
I'm going to try to back off a little bit. She's all over the road. Try it. Fucking awesome, dude. Did you talk to yourself? Things in your earlobes. This girl is on fire. You gotta feel the crowd.
Right at 213 on Malone.
I copy 1 in custody for medical.